Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Play Store apps on your Apple devices. So for this purpose, first you need to open Google on your mobile phone or on your PC. Once you done this, then tap on search bar and search for Google Play Store. Once you search for it, then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here what you need to do, just tap on Google Play. Once you tap on it, Google Play Store will open on your screen. Here at the top right corner, you have this option, tap on it. Once you tap on it, this will pop up. Here you need to scroll down. Once you scroll down, then here you have the option of add to home screen. Click on it. Once you tap on it, then this will pop up. Here you need to give the name to your Google Play Store. So here I give Google Play only. Then at the top right corner, you have add button. Click on it. And then what you need to do, just go to your home screen. And here you can see this Google Play shortcut. Once you tap on it, you are there on Google Play page. So by doing this process, you can download any apps on your Apple devices. So that's how you can download Google Play Store apps on Apple devices. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.